Today, I'm going to teach you how to create rounded images or elements in Webflow. This is a simple yet effective way to add polish and visual appeal to your website design, making your images stand out with smooth, rounded corners. First, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your Webflow dashboard. In your Webflow dashboard, navigate to your All Sites section. Here, hover your mouse over the site where you want to create rounded images, then click Open in Webflow. This will take you directly into the Webflow Designer where you can start editing your site. Now, click on the image you want to make rounded. This is an important step because it ensures you're working with the correct element. When you select the image, you'll notice various options appear in the right panel, giving you full control over how this element looks and behaves. Navigate to the right panel and scroll down until you find the border section. Click on it to reveal additional options. This is where the magic happens, as the border section contains all the styling tools you need to transform your image into something more visually interesting. Within the border section, locate the radius option. You'll see a field labeled px next to it. This is where you'll input your preferred pixel value to control how rounded the corners of your image become. Type in a value such as 100, 200, 300, 400, or 500, depending on how pronounced you want the rounding to be. Once you've entered your desired number, press Enter on your keyboard. This allows you to see the result in real time, giving you immediate feedback on how the rounded corners look. Feel free to experiment with different pixel values until you find the perfect level of rounding for your design. Lower values will create subtle rounded corners, while higher values will give you a more dramatic circular effect. This flexibility lets you customize the look to match your website's aesthetic perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully created rounded images in Webflow by simply adjusting the border radius. This small design tweak can make a significant difference in the overall appearance of your site, adding a modern and polished touch to your visual elements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.